guys, it's me Harsaki, and today I'm going to teach you how to make some homemade stickers. So let's start. For these stickers you need a scissor, a paper, a plain paper or any colored sheet if you want, and sellotape. It can be broad one or the smaller one. You just need sellotape and sketches or any colors which you are going to do. So I'm just taking some simple colors. So the first step is to draw something, whatever you want to make for stickers. You can also search on the net. There are thousands and millions of ideas. So I'm going to draw an emoji. So I'm going to take this tape because it has this round thing. So now I'm going to take a pencil. So now I'm going to draw the round shape. Perfect. So guys, now I have cut I have sketched this. I have like rounded it in black color, and now I'm going to fill in the color, which is yellow. Guys, I have also colored in it. A little messy outside, don't mind it. So let it dry, then we will draw the eyes and nose. And I am making a basic smile shape, as you can see. So now I'm going to highlight the face. Done. So that's done. Now cut your drawing. If you wanna leave a border of 1 centimeter, you can, but if you don't wanna leave it, just cut through the black line. So guys, now I've colored it also, cutted it also. So now I'm going to I placed some whitener on the teeth to make it look like teeth. So the next step is that, so for the next step we need a parchment paper or wax paper or butter paper, whatever you want to say. But if you don't have any of this, we all have name stickers at home. So when you take out some of the stickers, the sheet behind is same as parchment paper, so you can use this also. But if you don't have these also, you can simply put them on a surface like a tabletop, but that's a little difficult. So that's why I like to use parchment paper. So now this the next step is just to take parchment paper, and you need to take your tape. Now I have cut a piece of tape here. So now what I'm gonna do is just place it upside down, like the sticky part, which is this, on the parchment paper. There we go. Smoothen it out. Next, take your the drawing you have made and place it above the tape. Now take another piece of tape, and now take your paper sticker, place it between here in the center, and then place the other tape on it and smoothen it out. That's it. Now take this thing out. Now what is left is just to cut it out. You just make sure to leave 1 centimeter of line so that it can stick. If you don't leave any borders, it will not stick, it will just come out. So now I'm going to cut with a 1 centimeter border left. That's it. And now you can take your parchment paper off. If your parchment paper is not coming out like mine, so you can take a softboard pin or any pin and just make it through the paper and here we go. So I have separated finally. It was not coming out, so here we go. Here we go. So as you can see, the parchment paper is out. Now it's sticky at the bottom also. You can stick it anywhere you want. You can even stick on the back side of your phone. And so here is my water bottle. So I'm going to just place it on it. So as you can see, these are really easy to make stickers. You can make so many of these shapes. So I'm going to show you some basic shapes that I have made. Here is one pineapple. I have made a pineapple. And here I have made one which says queen. Another one here I have made a cupcake and a girl, go girl quote. So this is the way you can make your own homemade stickers. You can even take printout of these stickers. So yeah, and also if you have any cutout or anything like this, you can even convert this into a sticker by doing the same thing. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button and I'll see you next time.